Hello, pretty birds.
La 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 la. La la la. La la la. La la la. This.
Knock, knock.
Hi.
Knock, knock, Rocky.
La 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 la.
Gabby, you're not Gabbin.
La 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 la.
That was cool when I did that. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Is it because I'm not paying attention to you? You're like,
It's like, bitch, get over here. La 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 la. La 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 la. Gabby. Gabby. Kitty Craig. La 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 la. Here we go. La 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 la. Come on, Gabby. La 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 la. La 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 la. Do it again. Do it again. La 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 la.
I got it. I stayed on it. I'm gonna try to get that macaw in real quick in this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's hard to get the macaw. It's so dark.
Aw. Hey, buddy.
That's the macaw. Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
Hey, buddy.
You're gonna talk to us and tell us hello? Or is that other one gonna be super loud and make lots of too much noise for us?
Hi.
Hello. Hi. Hi. It wants my paper. Hello. Oh, jeez.
There we go.
That was loud. That was loud. I heard you. Wow. Hi. I'm gonna go to the other guy. It's hard to get them when they're...
Come on, buddy.
These cages.
He's doing it. He was shaking his head back and forth.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You're like freaking awesome. I can't really get a clear picture of that one up there.
Yeah, it's hard.
You wanna bite me?
This one won't do it. Oh, he's coming over. He's coming over here. Or not. He's gonna hang out.
That one just say help? No. Come. Woo.
Hey.
What says it's a buried cockatoo? I thought cockatoos always had like headdresses like these. Look at this one's like right here. Oh my god. Meow? Is that what you just said over there? That's what it sounded like. Did she message you at all?
No.
Oh. You're not gonna do it, are you? Caw. Hello. Macaw's talking for you.
So now we got it over here finally. It's just staying.
Hello?
I think he only does that when he wants attention. Now he's getting attention.
Hello. Hello. Oh.
Hello. Hello.
That other one I think was.
Hello.
Please. How are you, beautiful bird?
Hello.
My God, so beautiful.
Hello.
Disco dancing.
Hello. Hello. Come on. Come on. We're over here now.
Was that you whistling too earlier?
You don't want to talk anymore? Now we're over here. Hello. Hello.
Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, stop. I got like 8 minutes of video of these damn birds.